Welcome to a transformative journey where we delve into 10 creative ways to save $1,000 fast. This guide is designed to equip you with a toolbox of ingenious strategies that will help you reach your financial goals quicker than you ever imagined. As we explore each of these 10 ideas, you'll uncover a treasure trove of actionable steps to trim your expenses and boost your savings. From harnessing the power of meal prepping to scrutinizing subscriptions, from embracing the art of couponing to unleashing your inner DIY enthusiast, we've got you covered. You'll also learn how to optimize your energy consumption, declutter your space for profit, and navigate the world of negotiation like a pro. Whether you're looking to eliminate debt, build an emergency fund, or achieve a specific financial milestone, these money-saving hacks will set you on a path to financial success. By incorporating these creative strategies into your daily routine, you'll not only save $1,000 fast but also cultivate a lasting sense of financial empowerment. Get ready to embark on a journey of smart spending, savvy decision-making, and a brighter financial future. Meal prep magic. By strategically planning your meals and preparing them at home, you're not only cutting down on dining out expenses but also maximizing your grocery budget. Allocate a day to cook larger portions that can be repurposed for multiple meals. This technique minimizes food wastage and encourages you to make cost-effective choices. For instance, preparing a batch of versatile ingredients like grilled chicken or roasted vegetables allows you to create various dishes throughout the week. This mindful approach to meal prep can easily save you $20 minus $30 per week, translating to around $100 minus $120 monthly. Over the course of a year, these savings could amount to an impressive $1,200 to $1,440. Additionally, you'll likely adopt healthier eating habits, leading to potential long-term savings on medical expenses. Subscription scrutiny. Take a closer look at your subscriptions and memberships. Identify those that are underutilized or no longer align with your current needs. Whether it's a streaming service, magazine subscription, or gym membership, canceling what you no longer require can lead to substantial savings. For instance, if you cancel a $15 monthly subscription and a $30 gym membership, you could save around $540 over the course of a year. Over several years, this simple action can contribute significantly more toward your savings goal than you might have anticipated. Redirect these saved funds into investments or experiences that align with your financial objectives. Coupon Crusader. Embrace the power of digital coupons and cashback apps to stretch your dollar further. Download apps like Ibotta, Rakuten, or Honey, and explore websites that aggregate discounts. Before making a purchase, check these platforms to find applicable discounts or cashback offers. Over time, these small savings can accumulate into a significant amount. For example, by using digital coupons and cashback apps consistently, you could save around $5 to $10 per shopping trip, which amounts to approximately $200 minus $400 annually. As these apps continue to grow in popularity and offer more deals, your annual savings could even surpass this estimate. Combine these savings with your long-term financial goals to supercharge your progress. Do-it-yourself delights. Unleash your creativity by adopting do-it-yourself practices. Create homemade cleaning supplies using common household items like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. For gifts or home decor, craft personalized items that reflect your unique style. Instead of purchasing expensive candles or room sprays, consider making your own. Besides saving money on store-bought alternatives, these DIY endeavors provide a satisfying and productive outlet for your creativity. Moreover, the joy and sense of accomplishment derived from crafting items with your own hands are immeasurable and add to the overall value of this money-saving hack. Not only are you saving money, but you're also investing in skills and experiences that enrich your life. Closet cleanse. Decluttering your closet can lead to both mental clarity and financial gains. Sort through your clothing, accessories, and items you no longer use. Platforms like Poshmark or eBay provide opportunities to sell these pre-loved items. By converting your unused possessions into cash, you're not only freeing up space but also accumulating funds. Selling a few items for $20 minus $30 each can easily add up to $100 minus $200, contributing significantly to your savings goal. Additionally, the act of decluttering has a lasting impact on your living space, creating an environment of order and tranquility that enhances your quality of life. As you reduce material clutter, you also create room for experiences and opportunities that align with your financial aspirations. Energy efficiency. Implementing energy-saving habits can result in tangible financial benefits. Turning off lights when not needed, using power strips to prevent standby power usage, and investing in energy-efficient appliances are simple yet effective techniques. By reducing your monthly utility bills, these energy-efficient practices can save you around $10-20 per month, equating to approximately $120-240 annually. Over the span of a few years, these cumulative savings could fund a significant portion of your savings goal while contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. Additionally, your reduced energy consumption contributes to reducing your carbon footprint, aligning with both financial and environmental responsibility. Carpool Collaborator. Pooling rides with colleagues, friends, or neighbors can lead to substantial savings on fuel costs. Carpooling not only reduces the financial burden of commuting but also contributes to reduced traffic congestion and environmental impact. By sharing the costs of fuel and vehicle maintenance, you could save around $20-40 per week, adding up to $800-1,600 over the year. Additionally, carpooling provides an opportunity to connect with others during the commute, making the journey more enjoyable and fostering a sense of community. Beyond financial benefits, carpooling enhances your social interactions and helps build relationships within your community. Grocery list guru. Creating a comprehensive grocery list before heading to the store is a strategic way to control spending. Stick to your list to avoid impulse purchases, and consider opting for store brand products to save even more. Plan your meals based on weekly sales and promotions to make the most of discounted items. By adhering to your grocery list and making informed choices, you could save around $20-30 per shopping trip, tallying up to $80-120 per month. These cumulative savings can make a significant impact on your budget over the course of a year. Additionally, the practice of conscious grocery shopping fosters healthier eating habits as you prioritize purchasing fresh ingredients over packaged snacks. No-spend challenges. Immerse yourself in a no-spend challenge, where you commit to refraining from non-essential spending for a set period. This could include eating out, shopping for non-essential items, or entertainment expenses. By consciously cutting back on discretionary expenses for a week or even a month, you can save around $100-200, potentially more, depending on your usual spending habits. The experience of a no-spend challenge goes beyond monetary benefits, offering insights into your consumption patterns and encouraging a more mindful approach to spending. Moreover, the lessons learned from successfully completing a no-spend challenge can influence your financial decisions long after the challenge is over. Negotiation ninja. When making significant purchases, don't hesitate to negotiate for better terms. Whether you're buying a car, furniture, electronics, or services, researching market prices and competitor offers arms you with negotiation power. Polite yet assertive communication can lead to savings. If you manage to negotiate a 10% discount on a $500 purchase, you could save $50. Multiply this approach across larger purchases, and your savings could easily reach $100-200 or more. The confidence gained from successful negotiations empowers you to secure favorable deals and stretch your dollars further in various areas of life. Moreover, negotiation skills are transferable and valuable for personal and professional interactions, amplifying the benefits of mastering this art. Congratulations on uncovering these invaluable 10 creative ways to save $1,000 fast. Armed with these ingenious strategies, you're now equipped to tackle your financial goals with renewed vigor and resourcefulness. By adopting the art of meal prepping and DIY ingenuity, you're not only saving on immediate expenses but also fostering a sustainable approach to spending. Scrutinizing subscriptions and harnessing digital coupons demonstrates that small changes can lead to significant financial gains. The energy-efficient habits you've acquired won't just trim utility bills, they'll contribute to a greener planet. Engaging in no-spend challenges and becoming a negotiation ninja aren't just tactical maneuvers, they're transformations in your relationship with money. The funds you save will empower you to accomplish short-term objectives and pave the way for long-term financial security.